Jake here for American Trucks, and today I'm taking a look at these door handle covers in gloss black, fitting 2021 and newer F-150 Super Cruise. If you're looking for an easy way to update the look of your F-150, whether you're going for that full chrome delete or not, these door handles are probably going to appeal to you. These offer a simple, easy solution to give your truck a sleek look without having to spend a ton of money. If you're going for that blacked out look on your F-150, one of the things you might have been struggling to get matched up might be your door handles. Rather than replacing them, wrapping them, or doing something else to make it happen, these are a really simple, easy way to get the look you want without a ton of fuss. Essentially, these just stick right over top of your stock door handles. They even have a provision for keyless entry buttons as well, so you don't lose any functionality there. And if you're wondering why I've got 6 of them on the table, that's why we've got these 3 different ones over here. So if your truck has the smart key access system, you've got the provisions for it. And if it doesn't for some reason, you've got that too. We can include any kind of truck in here. These are gonna fit anyone as long as it's an F-150. Plus, you've got that cool blacked out look here as well. Now these are essentially a peel and stick setup, so they're gonna fit perfectly over top of your factory handles. Each cover is made from ABS plastic and is of course finished with that really nice gloss black coloring. Now the ABS material means that these are lightweight, they're gonna wear well, and they're gonna be durable on your truck for some time to come. They're also really impact resistant, so if you catch the handle on something or you bang it into something, you don't have to worry about them shattering or cracking. Now on the back sides here, you've got some automotive grade double-sided tape to keep them in place, and the kit also comes with a little tube of adhesion promoter too, so you can make sure that you get a really good stick. Price-wise, these are only gonna run you about $90, making them a pretty affordable modification and certainly less than trying to replace the full handle, and a lot easier to do as well. Now, as is well established here, I'm a big fan of anything that is less than $100, so if you like the look here and you wanna keep the functionality, I really don't think you can go wrong. Installation is gonna get an easy 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the whole job should take you about 15 minutes. Just make sure you get your handles clean so you have that best stick possible. Again, you can use the adhesion promoter that's included. Once you've got your truck clean, basically go ahead and stick these guys on. And we'll show you that process now out there in the install bay.
What's up guys? Today we're installing a set of door handle covers on our F-150, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is match up your door handle cover to your door handle. We have our button and our keyhole here, so we're using this one. We're going to peel back the double-sided tape on the inside. And then we can just line this up and press it on. Now moving on to the rear, we can do that same thing. We don't have anything on our door handle back here, so we've got the solid one. So we'll peel back our double-sided tape backing, line this up, and press it on. And then once you're done with one side, you can repeat the same process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the door handle covers in gloss black for your 2021 and newer F-150 Super Crew. Thank you for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.